see if it's going to crank up, start. The lights are on inside here, so that's a good sign. It's in park. Good morning, everybody. Well, this morning starts with physical therapy, so I gotta get that done before anything else. So we'll catch you later after I'm done with it. Bye. Well, just got done with physical therapy. Back's a little sore right now, so hopefully the time I get home I won't be too sore to be able to get anything done on my daughter's car. So we'll getting so close to having it done. We gotta keep on struggling going. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Well, good morning. It's a new day. Back on the Nissan Altima, trying to get the motor all hooked up. So got a few more bolts to put in, bolting it up, transaxle. Got starter to still put in, alternator, AC unit, then all the wiring harness. So we'll see how far we get today. I'd love to be able to get it started, but I really don't think that's going to happen today because we got kind of a shorter day. Got a week this weekend coming up. I've got to take my daughter to Salt Lake for an appointment. So otherwise, it'll be a while till we can get back on it if we can't get it started now. So hopefully we'll get it going. All right, now I'll try to get these flywheel and torque converter lined up. Keep them bolted together. There's the first hole. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, gotta figure out what size those were. 13s, nope. Alright. Let's see if I can find the right wrench. Socket.
12 sleepless hours later.
Alright, we don't want to tighten it up yet till we get at least 2 in. Second one. Hold this down, get it on there all at the same time. Recheck everything by hand once we get them. Everybody in the comments saying, "Oh, you better torque those." Oh, don't worry about that. They'll be torqued. One more and then tighten them up good. Click, click. That was good. Put a scratch there so I know which one I did. Click, click. Click, click. All right, one more to go. Probably easier way to do this. So, if you know of one, leave it in the comments. Let me know the best way of turning that while you're tightening up. Can't quite get onto it. And a little further. One more tooth. There we go. Just so we can make sure she's tight. Click, click. All right, that part is together. Our power steering hooked up. Don't think I can reach it from down here, but we'll look at it and see. No way to getting it from down here. I think engines are the first thing they built, and then they start building around it, putting the car all together around it, just so you can't get it apart. That looks like we're gonna have to. That boot's tore up on that drive line, so gonna have to get one ordered, get it in. Power steering pump is on. Can't barely see the bottom pulley of it. Now to get the flywheel on, oil filter. Right, gotta get this alternator in. Oh, ow. Make sure these top ones are tight. Okay. For the alternator. That wire out of the way. That wire is always bopping over the way. When all else fails, beat it with a rubber mallet to get it on. Grace, why is that so close? Never mind. Getting ahead of myself. Gotta have the exhaust manifold on first. Oh, shoot. What a moron. What a moron. Getting too far ahead. Check this out. Snowing out there. See that doing? Cold out there, cold out there. I can see I was alternator on too soon. I should have been putting the exhaust on first. Well, I'm going to struggle getting that alternator off so I can get it out of the way, so see what happens. Torquing up the exhaust manifold. Make sure it's to specs. 35 foot-pounds. Make sure to work from your center out. All right. Now we can put the alternator back on. Good morning, everybody. It's a new day in the shop. And unfortunately, once again, the microphone not working on this part of the clip. So hopefully I'll try to fill you in a little bit because I do not remember exactly what I was talking about. I think there was a time I was talking about our trip that we took to Salt Lake, how well it went, good weather we had down there. And now let's just show you the motor here. We got a few of the wires laid out for the wiring harness to be hooked up. We got this wire here. Got to figure exactly where it goes. And a few down here and out of sight of the camera. Hopefully we'll be able to get this started today and running. Not sure about that. There's still a lot of work to be done, but we'll do it our best today. All right. We'll catch with you guys here in a little bit. See how things go. Well, so far, we've got this all wired back up. Still not too sure where this one goes yet. I don't quite remember that one, but we'll get it found. Still got all this to get wired back into the fuse box. Battery. Got the injectors all plugged back in. Oh, let's see, we got these ones go down behind the motor somewhere. This whole set here, so I'm not too sure where. Don't remember exactly where they're going yet, but hopefully once I get them laid where they belong. Really didn't think it was going to take me this long to get this done, but one step at a time. All right, guys, we'll catch you later. Let's update you after we get those back wires hooked on. See where we're at then. Catch you later. Wires on the back are more difficult to reach in. Trying to get them back on there. I think I got 3 wires. 2 I know where it goes. Third one, I can't find exactly where it goes yet. So that's the update. Got the power steering hooked up. Got the what's it called? Camshaft sensors hooked up. I don't know. Can't reach back in there. Can't reach it from below. I hope we get it figured out. I'm tired of working on it. Well, I think we might have got it all wired up. Finally found that last plug. It came back over to the transmission side. And right there on top of the transmission. So, one I could not find was this one right here. That little tricky thing. You can see it coming back over here. So, all right. This one I think goes on the air cleaner. So that was good. We're ready to put some oil in this thing. Get some oil put in this thing, and then some water. Oh, I got to put the radiator cap, the plug back in, and a battery. We're getting closer. Well, let's see. I have bought some new oil, so we'll go grab it out of the truck. Get it out of Big Blue. Transmission filter. We're going to change that out once we got it going. We still got to put that, once we get it running, we still got to put that drive axle in. Get this oil in and we'll get back with you. Alright, she's all hooked up. We're about ready to see if it's going to crank up, start. The lights are on inside here, so that's a good sign. It's in park. Battery's too low. Let's get a charger on it. I have to put a new battery in it as well. Of course. Alright. Charger on it. Let's see what happens this time. Check some things real quick. Let's check the water. All right, it's running. Take burning off oil. Well, we got it running. So letting it warm up a little bit with water in it. Looks like the next step is getting the transaxle replaced. Finish getting the air cleaner put in, hood put back on. We're almost there.